Welcome to our Channel English Premier class. In this video, you'll learn about 50 common antonyms with examples.
Good.
Ahmad is a good boy. Ahmad is a good boy. Bad, bad. This is a bad situation. This is a bad situation. Big, big. This is a big house. This is a big house.
Small, small.
I saw a small bird. I saw a small bird.
Happy, happy.
She is happy with her grades. She is happy with her grades.
Sad, sad.
He looks sad today. He looks sad today.
Fast, fast.
The car is very fast. The car is very fast. Slow, slow. The old man walks slowly. The old man walks slowly.
Bright, bright.
The sun is bright in the sky. The sun is bright in the sky.
Dark, dark.
The room is dark without lights. The room is dark without lights.
Strong, strong.
He has strong muscles. He has strong muscles.
Weak, weak.
The bridge is too weak. The bridge is too weak.
Rich, rich.
The man is very rich. The man is very rich.
Poor, poor.
They help poor families. They help poor families.
Clean, clean.
I like clean clothes. I like clean clothes.
Dirty, dirty.
The room is dirty after the party. The room is dirty after the party.
Hot, hot.
It is a hot day. It is a hot day.
Cold, cold.
The water is too cold. The water is too cold.
Easy, easy.
This question is easy to answer. This question is easy to answer.
Hard, hard.
The puzzle is too hard for me. The puzzle is too hard for me.
Old, old.
This is an old car. This is an old car.
New, new.
She bought a new dress. She bought a new dress. Early, early. I woke up early today. I woke up early today.
Late, late.
He came late to school. He came late to school.
Happy, happy.
Children are happy when they play. Children are happy when they play.
Angry, angry.
The teacher was angry at us. The teacher was angry at us.
Soft, soft.
The pillow is very soft. The pillow is very soft. Hard. The rock is hard to touch. The rock is hard to touch.
Kind, kind.
She is a kind person. She is a kind person.
Cruel.
He was cruel to the animal. He was cruel to the animal.
Tall. Tall.
The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall.
Short. Short.
The table is short. The table is short.
Easy. Easy.
This test is easy. This test is easy.
Tough. Tough.
The exam was tough to pass. The exam was tough to pass.
Safe. Safe.
The area is safe for kids. The area is safe for kids. Dangerous. Dangerous. That road is dangerous. That road is dangerous.
Nice. Nice.
The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. Awful. Awful. The food tastes awful. The food tastes awful. Funny. Funny. That was a funny joke. That was a funny joke. Serious. Serious. He is always serious about his work. He is always serious about his work.
Quick. Quick.
He gave a quick reply. He gave a quick reply.
Slow. Slow.
Her response was slow. Her response was slow. Beautiful. Beautiful. She has a beautiful smile. She has a beautiful smile.
Ugly. Ugly.
The house looks ugly with dirt. The house looks ugly with dirt.
Full. Full.
The glass is full of water. The glass is full of water. Empty. The jar is empty now. The jar is empty now.
Light. Light.
This bag is light to carry. This bag is light to carry. Heavy. The box is heavy to lift. The box is heavy to lift.
Young.
She is a young girl. She is a young girl.
Old. Old.
My grandfather is old. My grandfather is old.